Hello and welcome. I am Trish and this is Trish Talks. And on this channel, I offer up tips on interior design, home renovation projects, and gardening. And in today's video, I'll help you determine your interior design style by breaking down 10 of the most popular design styles used today. Before we get into this video, write down what you think your interior design style is. And then after you've watched the video, comment below if you got it right or if you have a new interior design style. I'd love to know. The first one we're going to cover is contemporary style. Now, contemporary interior design is defined by its simplicity, deliberate placement of artwork and accessories, and its use of texture and clean lines. Contemporary interior design often feels luxurious but simple. It features furnishings with natural fibers like linen and silk, and it incorporates generous amounts of stone, glass, and metal. Now, how to create this in your home? Well, in order to create a contemporary space, you'll need to embrace some minimalistic traits if you don't already have them. Use a neutral palette, but combine it with textures, clean lines, and maybe even some shiny surfaces. Now, is contemporary interior design for you? If you like your home clean and open and sleek with lots of natural colors like grays, beiges, and whites, you may love contemporary interior design. The next style we're going to cover is traditional interior design. Now, a traditional interior design scheme incorporates the classic European look with timeless, comfortable elegance. It has symmetry with a bit of opulence, and that together defines the space. It offers deep, rich colors, high-end fabrics, detailed wood furniture and moldings, patterns, textures, and trim that all help make a traditional living space. Now, how to create a traditional living space in your home? Add some of those details and layer the room with drapery, artwork, and accessories. Then it uses deep, rich paint colors, floral prints, and colorful fabrics to tie it all together. Now, is traditional interior design for you? Well, if you like rich hues, layers, prints, art, and accessories, then traditional interior design is for you. Okay, so now the next design style we're going to talk about is modern interior design. It is designated during a period that originates from the mid-20th century. Modern design style is a movement that consists of natural materials, neutral colors, and keeping it simple with little to no detail. It is more of a monochromatic setting. Monochromatic color schemes, simple yet elegant furnishings, and the excessive use of natural, more earthy materials or what define this setting more appropriately. How to create this in your home? Well, first thing you'll need to do is understand that you should try to keep it simple. Overcomplicating it is only going to mess with the final look and feel of the modern style. Try to opt for open spacing, broad and spacious decor settings, while you keep it all about function with a dash of your personal decor. Now, is this your style? If you are a simplistic person at heart and even a minimalist, but don't have much appreciation for the contemporary design or decor, then sure, this design setting is for you. Now, the next interior design style we're going to cover is transitional interior design. Now, transitional interior design is an overall muted scheme that relies heavily on neutral colors to make a stunning impression over the observer, with dark colors set aside for the accent pieces. It is a bit minimalistic in approach, but without any compromise over the character or personality of the space. The use of neutral materials such as wood and jute is more common and is often layered with metal or glass to achieve a balance between spaces. You would see darker colors in decor settings more often than the lighter ones, and this is what depicts a transitional design style, transitioning between vivid patterns of dark and light. Now, how to create this in your space? Well, whatever decor setting that you're using in whatever room must follow a proper accent of dark and light. You must be pairing these decor items with pleasant neutral materials. Try to highlight focal points of the room with the proper layering of color and decor, and keep it minimalistic. Now, is this your interior design style? Well, if you are minimalistic at heart, love the solid play of dark and light color and decor hues, and can't stay away from natural materials, then this may be for you. Now, the next one we're going to talk about is mid-century modern interior design. Now, the use of simple, functional wooden pieces made from teak, and then the use of curved designs infused with a post-World War II feel are what appropriately describe mid-century modern interior design. It is straightforward in nature and accents around the use of functional furniture, pieces that are also simple but give out a sophisticated feel to the space. The use of natural materials such as glass, ceramic, and wood are the very base for this design. Using proper geometry with a touch of a creative spin is what best describes the execution of mid-century modern interior design. Now, how to create this in your space is to collect 1 or 2 mid-century modern furniture pieces. That will help define the space immediately. Use natural elements such as wood, glass, ceramic, or metal in the rooms, and make sure that your color settings amplify the furniture items in every room. Now, is this your style? If you love great furniture design, artistry, distinctive earthy colors, and warm woods, then this trend is for you. Okay, so the next style we're going to be covering is industrial interior design. Now, this approach in interior design, it takes its inspiration from old factories and industrial spaces while trying to replicate essential functions in our home, in our typical home environment. The use of bare bricks, concrete, and steel gives a more rustic feel in this ensemble of industrial design. It features a raw and almost unfinished decor that has been left there on purpose to give it a more authentic look. It is a welcoming and laid back interior design decor. Now, create this look. Start by devising an inclusion plan that will bring the building materials within the room. Highlight the exposed brick or the concrete block. Don't cover up the HVAC system, and use materials like concrete and wood elements, all while keeping straight lines in an uncluttered space. Is this your design style? This decor is often found in urban settings. You'll find them in loft buildings or old converted warehouses. But no, you can find this look in suburban and rural areas too. The exposed industrial look can be found in finished basements and farmhouses. Who knows, this look may be just right for you too. Okay, so the next style we're going to talk about is Bohemian interior design. The carefree layers of pattern with unhinged textures, lack of symmetry and order, along with the use of freestyle colors and hues, is what best defines the Bohemian interior design style. There are no practical guides out there to implement a Bohemian design, but there are always designated settings that can be achieved. Using different types of lighting, layering of eclectic patterns, saturated colors, and wicker and rattan, give this look a keen focus on comfortable chaos. How to create this look in your home? Well, use a range of neutral colors and layers that are in a haphazardous configuration. Go with different patterns of your choosing and install natural fixtures and finishes along with flea market art or handmade vintage pieces. And this will help you create a bohemian look in your home. Now, is this style for you? If you happen to be a carefree individual with not much regard for symmetry or order within your home, then this is an appropriate design setting for for you to go for. Next up, Farmhouse chic interior design. Now, it is a careful blend of multiple design styles that can develop a more rustic, relaxed, and contemporary space. It isn't exactly minimalism, but a warmer, more comforting side of it. The ultimate purpose with the Farmhouse chic design style is to opt for a timeless look that reeks of personality and character and is best suited for family homes rather than bachelor or bachelorette pads. Now, how to create this look? It's easy to achieve this look with a careful blend of distressed wood, overlaying multiple textures, shiplap accents, black wrought iron details, sliding barn doors, and huge pendant lights showering over all of the space. Now, is this design style for you? If you are a country at heart and love country life with a more functional yet chic look, then this is the perfect decor setting for you. Here we go. The next one is Scandinavian interior design. It is a careful combination of beauty, simplicity, and utmost functionality. It features a fresh take on Northern European countries, their Nordic approach towards minimalism, and rooting out chaos from the rooms so that they could look a bit cleaner and more defined. Scandinavian interior design employs the use of simple lines and light spaces that are practically free from clutter. The use of natural colors, preferably white with a grayish tone, is distinct. Clean and efficient lighting and sleek furniture with a multiple functional approach defines this type of style. How to create this style? Use of organic and natural materials such as glass and wood are a must. The use of lighter and finer toned elements is necessary to achieve a sense of harmony in every space of your home. Bring in artistic surprises and natural elements such as plants, pottery, and wall art with a little bit of minimalistic approach to replicate a Scandinavian look. Now, is this your design style? If you completely deplore mess of any kind and want things organized and made available to you in a time of need, then this is a great design idea or a great design style for you to lay out on. And lastly, we are going to look at the coastal interior design style. It is everything even remotely related to the sea, the beach, and the open environment. All of these things can be found in your coastal interior design. It is all about bringing the sky, the beach, the sea into your home through colors and layers of bright hues and beachy textures. It highlights bright and airy colors with a bit more flair and uses accent textures associated with the beach and open sky. Now, how to create this in your home? Well, stick with neutral colors found on the beach like beiges, blues, greens, and yellows. Try using wide plank, light flooring to mimic the look of a sandy beach. And add fun wall sconces, light drapery, and light wicker furnishings to give that coastal vibe using texture and lighting. Now, is this your style? If you are someone who is totally in love with the sea and beach and want to bring the same carefree vibes into your home, then go for the coastal interior design style. And that's it. Thanks so much for watching today. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button.